What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about why I use the Power Lead system to promote your best easy work business. And the reason why I say you want to use this marketing system for best easy works is because after a while, everybody's gonna be using the generic. Let me I'm gonna see if I can. Everybody's gonna be using the generic this this link, this page. Everybody's gonna send all their traffic to this page, and it's gonna after a while it's gonna lose its effectiveness. So if everybody's using the same page, then people go already seeing. They're already gonna know what it is. That's why I say use the Power Lead system. See, like what I did, I show you. I show you my capture page. I show and my capture page. Here goes. This is my capture page, and it don't say anything about Best Easy Works. It just says, "Don't miss this free offer. Discover how to bank $25 payments over and over again for free." That's it. And then instead of me sending them to this page, I send them here. This is I created this page. I'm gonna show you this page, and this is the page that I created. All right, this is the page I created, and this is for Best Easy Works, and it puts everything. Everything is here. This is perfect for the Best Easy Work people. If they want to come in, I can share this I can share this sales funnel with them because I created this, and I have it has get the marketing system, and this takes you to the Power Lead system. I may change this to send them to Lead Lightning instead of, because most people probably won't have the $53 to get this, so I may put Lead Lightning here, and this get the business. This will take them to this page instead of, and then you have get the traffic, and this takes them to one of the places that I buy traffic from, which is Udemy Solo Ads, and I have bought some traffic from here from a couple people, Jason and Desmond. I bought these two on the same day. It was a pretty good run. I got like 50 some leads, almost 60 leads out of 100. So this capture page is converting between 50 and 60%, and it's a basic capture page. And instead of, I collect their email, and then my marketing system follows up with them. So basically, this is the key. This is what you need for any business. It don't even have to be for Best Easy Work. It could be for any business. Any business. This marketing system can help you collect leads and eventually to make sales in your business. But basically, that's all I want to say. Instead of sending people here, send them here, and then they'll go here, and everything's laid out for them. Everything's here. The marketing system, the business, where they can start getting some traffic. Everything is laid out here for them. And that's basically it for like the new person. This would be perfect for them because a lot of people knew everything's laid out. Everything's here for them. The three parts that they need: a marketing system, whatever business, and start sending traffic. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.